Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is how to make a logo in 5 minutes. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Click on the first line in the description and that will take you to this website. Step number 1 is to type in your brand name. I'm going to use the name of one of my other websites, not marketingfundamentals.com, that already has a logo. So I'm going to use the name of one of my other websites, and that's learnmoney.io. So learnmoney.io is a personal finance website, and you can find it at that URL. That's step 1, type in your brand name. So that's quite simple. Click on create your free logo. What's your logo for? So it's not about career development, personal finance. So you're just giving it a category. This is step 2, give it a category. So I'm going to say finance. There we go. Finance. So that's step 2, very simple. Step 3, add a slogan. I'm not going to add a slogan, and that's because it could make the logo more complicated than it needs to be. So you can think about whether you really need to add in a slogan at this stage. I'm going to skip that step. So that was step 3, add a slogan in. It's optional. Step 4, choose icons. You can have this logo generator choose icons for you that it feels are appropriate to the name of the brand that you've typed in, or you can search for icons yourself inside the icon library. So I'm not sure if that's a good option. I'm going to choose icons for me. Okay, so I've typed in Learn Money, no slogan, category finance. There are more icons here. So here are some initial suggestions. I quite like this one, but let's scroll down to see how many have been generated. So there's quite a few. Obviously it's quite simple in terms of the names, different icons being used to differentiate all of these options. So that's quite a few, 10, 12, 15. Let's see, there's even more. So click here. So there are more options, and these were generated. This is recorded in real time, so these were generated very, very quickly. Even more options and more and more. So you're not short of any options. There's even more logos there. So let's click here to see how many more are generated. More and more, and I could be here for a long time, I think. So I'm just showing the flexibility of the tool. There's lots and lots of options there. I'm going to go back because I actually liked the first one, this one. So I'm going to click on this one, and then it says underneath, it says customize. So here we are. So this is you can see that's the icon they've used, and it's a personal finance website. So that showing your portfolio or your investments going up, that's very appropriate, that's relevant. I'm okay with that actually. But if I wasn't, let's have a look at all the things we can change. So the icons there are more icon options here. So you can, I'm just going to scroll down those. See, there's the one that's using, and then you've got these. That will be also relevant, I think. That would be relevant as well. I'm just scrolling down so that just to show you the variety there. The dollar sign, it's a bit obvious, so perhaps not have the dollar sign. Calculator, you know, that's good. That's quite relevant. Depends what context you're going to use this logo, because this might become a bit complicated if it's on a t-shirt, for example, whereas that's quite straightforward. All those different icons, I could change any of those, and that's great. A lot of variety there, some wallets there. Let's see if we wanted to change the name. So look at some of the other options. Name, so we could change the name. Let's go back up to the top of the screen just so we can see this. Click on name. So I've called it Learn Money. I could decide it's Save Money and make the change. So I've not changed the typeface, I'm just changing the name, and that should put Save Money into that. This is in real time. Let's just see that click through. Okay, so you see it's changed the logo to SaveMoney.io. That's not the name of the website. I just wanted to show that that's an option. So I'm going to go back to Learn Money because that's the website. Don't want to send anybody to the wrong place. So I'm going to go back to Learn Money. That's just changing, clicking through now. So the color suite here, I can change this. So let's just pick this one for just to demonstrate. So I can change the look and feel of the logo, and this is all done very quickly, obviously. And then the background. So I've got show background. I could hide background. So change background to, let's go to background colors. Change background from white to green. So that I don't like that at all, but that's just demonstrating the versatility of the tool. And then finally with this section we've got layout. So different layouts for, oh, this green is hurting my eyes. I'm going to change that. So let's go back to background. Let's go back to the colors. I think that was the original. That's not quite right. Okay, I managed to remove all those different options and gone back to my original choice, and you can see they've put your logo in situ on a number of different items. So merchandise, for example, so that could be on an online store, t-shirt I mentioned earlier in the video, and then as an app on your phone, various different permutations on a Facebook page, etc. for your newly designed logo. Are you happy with the logo? If you are, type in your email address and then simply download. Logo package has been sent to my email address. So there you have it, a very simple demonstration of how you can create a logo just following 4 simple steps to create a logo, and I did it online in real time using learnmoney.io as my basis for that logo. Hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you've liked this video, please give me a like. Click on 1 or 2 screenshots to watch another video. Just as promised, no clickbait at all. I've shown you how, just following those 4 steps, you can create a logo for free using the website that I mentioned, and the link is in the description, so go there and start creating a logo for your business. Let me know your thoughts when you've used the tool. I'd be interested to hear them in the comments below. Thanks. Until the next time, bye bye.